Welcome to the lecture of Digital Marketing and E-Commerce, Unit 1. I am Dr. Namita Nath. We'll start the lecture with the introduction to the definition of digital marketing. Digital marketing, as has been defined by Institute of Direct and Digital Marketing, it includes the management and execution of marketing using electronic media such as the web, email, interactive TV, wireless media in conjunction with digital data about the customer characteristics and behavior. So in short, digital marketing includes monitoring the behavior of the online users who are there on the internet using different digital platforms like your social media platforms, the websites, browsing through the search engines, etc. Now we'll be covering with some of the key reasons as to why digital marketing scores over traditional forms of marketing. The first reason is audience targeting. It helps us to know which audience to target and why with specific pre-designed messages suited to the specific problems and needs. The second reason is cost leverage. We all know that targeting the online users with marketing messages is less costly in comparison to the traditional medium. So, digital medium can be most cost effective for messaging across a larger audience, which was some of the key reason which in the first place for the marketers to adopt them. The third reason is actionable reporting. The kind of quantitative customer data segment and qualitative feedback obtained through digital marketing is far more authentic and actionable. So the data we collect, data can be with reference to the browsing behavior of the online users or the comments or some textual information that they feed into as a part of the social media platform. That is more authentic and it can be tracked and utilized in a better and more fruitful manner. The fourth reason why digital marketing scores over traditional marketing is the advantage of location-based messaging. Digital marketing can develop and target personalized location-based messages for customers as per their specific requirements. The fifth reason is quicker funnel fulfillment. The funnel fulfillment over here leads to the marketing, how fast the consumer reaches up the marketing funnel. So covering the marketing funnel from the awareness to the action, it can be fulfilled much quicker after the customer has shown the first intent. The main reason behind this being the ease of the availability of the information that in fact motivates the customer right from searching of the information right up to ordering the product online. The sixth reason is multi-channel reach. Digital marketing strategy and digital marketing integrates data, communication, messaging across multiple platforms, making it the best form of integrated marketing. The next reason is instant customer interaction, which also leads to managing the customers more effectively as far as the relationship management is concerned. So with customer interaction and service tightly integrated, it is the first time that the marketers can interact in real time to understand and support the problems faced by first-time or their most engaged users. And this specifically can be done if the marketers utilize the social media platform, which is a part of digital marketing. Next is the digital marketing process. It covers the various process and methods to achieve the digital marketing goals and objectives. So there are some various different types of digital marketing process which are used by the marketers to promote their products and services online. The first one is the email marketing, which is the most popular and also the oldest form of digital marketing process which is being used. It is primarily being used for promotion and advertisements of products and services. The second digital marketing process is search engine optimization, which includes searching of the information related to products or services on the online platform. So it's a method of optimizing the search engine for fetching the organic search results to the products and services. Organic search is related to the search results which are part of the search engine results page, for which the marketer need not pay a single amount of money. The third type of digital marketing process includes search engine marketing, which is a part of paid search as a part of your search engine optimization. So search engine marketing is the digital marketing process which focuses more on the paid promotions and advertisements. Search engine marketing increases the popping up or visibility of paid advertisements of the products or the services. The fourth type of digital marketing process that we'll be discussing today is content marketing, wherein it becomes absolutely essential for the marketer to decide and design the content which they want to put as a part of their product or service promotion. So the digital marketing process focuses on creating and promoting quality content among the consumers, content which is genuine and which catches the attention of the consumers. The content can be in three formats. It can be in textual format, in the form of audio or video. The fifth type of digital marketing process is pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click marketing is also a type of your paid search that happens as a part of search engine optimization. So pay-per-click is mostly used for paid campaigns, as it helps to boost the ranking of the products or services on search engines and other digital platforms, so that when anyone searches that category of the products or services, the highest paid advertisement will be the first one which will be reflected on the search engine results page. The sixth type of digital marketing process is affiliate marketing. It is a type of digital marketing in which any person collaborates with any business firm or organization for producing traffic and earns a commission for the traffic generated. The seventh type of digital marketing process is instant message marketing. Instant message messenger, as the name only suggests, is the process for promoting products or services through the messaging apps or the messengers. We have, for example, WhatsApp, on which we get a lot of advertising messages. We have Messenger on the social media platform like the Facebook Messenger. So these are all the types of instant message marketing platforms. Nowadays, marketing has become digital and every brand has got its own chatbot or messenger using which they can advertise their brand. The next topic that we'll be discussing is digital transformation framework. To understand this digital transformation framework, it is also important for us to know exactly what this digital transformation is all about. The businesses, when they want to bring their method of running business on the online mode, it is very important that they start converting their existing business processes into a format which will be more adaptable to the online platform. So how that conversion happens, what are the benefits of such type of conversions, what are the problems or the issues that needs to be dealt with for such type of a digital transformation is what is being dealt under the digital transformation framework. A business model, operating model, and a transformation roadmap are vital for all companies, along with the ability to solve problems, defend against a threat, and exploit opportunities through innovative integration of digital technologies. A common digital transformation framework helps them to achieve this. The framework that we'll be covering as a part of digital transformation today is the Thrive framework, which is made up of the 6 digital transformation guiding principles, which every organization needs to consider when embarking upon such type of a transformation. This Thrive digital transformation framework has been developed by Rob Llewellyn from CXO Transform. Thrive framework is actually not related to any one technology or industry. It is a way of thinking and approaching transformation from a business perspective. It's a practical digital transformation framework which provides leaders with any body of knowledge and roadmap to help them independently lead the transformation. The framework, where T stands for transformation, H holistic, R response, I innovation, V for value, and E for enterprise. Very quickly, we'll very briefly discuss each one of them in detail. The transformation, in fact, is the change that the business leaders are looking for while they are transforming their business. So the change, and there is a very thin line of difference between the change and the transformation. So while change is required to maintain and modernize an organization, this is not enough to sufficiently elevate both its internal capabilities and external offerings. So, to take the advantage of opportunities and protect against threats that a new digitally enabled business model presents, the leaders need to commit to being bold and transformational, digitizing at double speed, ahead of those that remain safely within their comfort zones and traditional slow ways of working. The holistic word, as the name suggests, in fact, is the overall and the integrated approach that needs to be adapted by the business leaders while transforming their business. So Thrive helps leaders to take a holistic and integrated perspective of their enterprise and its complexity. From the digital business models, capabilities, and roadmap design through to culture, that means the organization culture, the portfolio governance, and transformation execution, the leaders need to consider the big picture. Response, in fact, reminds the organization why and how they need to respond strategically to the opportunities and threats that are being presented both within the organization as well as externally in the market. Innovation, as the name suggests, is the continuous upgradation and updation in the business process to leading towards the larger perspective as far as the digital transformation is concerned. So innovation empowers companies to consider many new possibilities that can be part of its strategic response, and this requires effective approaches to innovation. Companies need the ability to envisage how new technologies can be converged into a scalable architecture that is prepared for near, mid, and long-term digital adoption. Next is value. Value again consists of value enhancement in two dimensions. One is external value and the other one is the internal value. So the external value represents the benefits transformation creates for its customers, while the internal value represents the benefits delivered into the business as a result of transformation investment. Last one is the enterprise, where a lot of work needs to be done into uplifting the enterprise, the company, the organization for accepting this transformation. So transformation must encourage, embrace, and educate people from across the enterprise and build a collaborative culture of new capabilities and mindsets. The next topic is website. We'll start with discussing what website is all about. So website is a set of interconnected web pages, usually including a home page, generally located on the same server and prepared and maintained as a collection of information by a person, group, or organization. A website, which is a collection of web pages that are coded in HTML and are linked to each other and to the pages of also the other websites. A website is run or hosted on a web server by the site's owner, a web hosting provider, or an ISP, Internet Service Provider. There are different types of websites which we can see on the internet. For example, there are company websites, business websites, personal websites, portfolio websites, e-commerce websites, etc. Next is blog. What is blog? Blog, which is a short form of weblog, which is weblog. It's an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order, with the latest posts appearing first, that means appearing on the top. It is the platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on any individual topic. The topic or the subject may be related to the product or service, or it may be related to the market with which the product and service is catering to. The purpose of the blog? It is to aid marketing to a point where content is delivered, where the content delivered is targeted specifically to the wants and needs of the audience. Blogs provide answers to the most commonly asked questions or provide advice to areas concerned with the business. Reasons for blogging, especially for the marketers. One of the biggest reason is it gives a lot of content wherein with the use of keywords you can optimize that content and you can be easily found on the internet or on the web. So search engines love new content, and as a result, blogging is a great search engine optimization tool. The second reason, blogging provides an easy way to keep customers and clients up to date on what's going on, let them know about new deals, and provide the tips. Any information related to product or services can be put on in detail on these blogging forums. A blog also allows to build trust and rapport with the prospective customers. It is a platform where marketers can show off their knowledge, building expertise and credibility, specifically in their domain where related to the products or service with which they are dealing with. It is also a platform where people can post comments. A number of online users, they follow or they join the blogging forums so that they can participate into whatever content is being shared. So it's a platform where people can post comments or interact with them, thus helping them know better and hopefully building a trust level deep enough to purchase the brand. And lastly, blogs also helps to make money. Along with the product or service, blogs can generate income from some other options like your advertising or some of the affiliate products. We can build websites and blogs using CMS, and WordPress is the most often and most popular form of CMS. CMS over here means content management system. So the content management system or CMS is a software that is used to build the websites and create content to be published on the internet. Typically, CMS allows to create a website without writing any code. Earlier, in good olden days, whenever the website was being created, the person who created or designed the website, he was a software programmer. He needed to know about the software language and the technique of designing the front end of the website. But with the use of content management system, there is no requirement of you having a technical knowledge. You can use this content management system and design your own website just sitting at your own home. So that's what is written over here. In the early days of web, there was a necessity to know the HTML to be able to code a website and publish the content online. That used to be hard, but content management system has made it easier. A powerful CMS platform like WordPress, as I told you initially, it helps to create the websites by simply logging into the website dashboard, website of WordPress, website dashboard, and using a simplified interface to create web pages, add content, and customize the design. With the right CMS, one can even start a blog, open an e-commerce store, build a tutorial website, create different types of portfolio websites, and many other different types of websites. Some of the features of content management system. The first one is the website dashboard. A good content management system allows to use a simple user interface to create websites. As the website owner, one can log into the website dashboard to customize the website. The dashboard can also be called the backend or the admin area of the website. Then there are different themes which are part of the content management system, which can be used to design the website. So CMS platforms usually lets us change the look of the website by selecting a template or a theme. Themes are pre-designed templates that helps to change the layout, colors, fonts, and other design aspects of the website. WordPress has thousands of free and premium themes available. Premium themes are the themes which can be made available once you make payment for those themes. Then the second feature of the content management system is content editor, wherein you create some content or you publish or you type in some content. So CMS platform include a content editor that can be used to create and publish the web pages. The text editors of this content editor of CMS, it is of the format of what you see is what you get, WYSIWYG editors. This means that one can see exactly what it will look like on the website simultaneously as the text is edited instead of looking at the code. So it's a sort of a front end that is given as far as the text editor is given. So as you type in, you can simultaneously see how the content will appear on the web page. Then the next feature of the CMS are plugins and extensions. So CMS has this facility of adding new features and modifying the site in other ways by adding the plugins. What are these plugins now? Plugin is a piece of software that acts as an add-on on the web browser, and it gives the browser an additional functionality. Plugins can allow a web browser to display additional content it was not originally designed to display. Next is, what are extensions? An extension adds features and functions to a browser. It is created using familiar web-based technologies such as your HTML, the CSS, and JavaScript. It can take advantage of the same web APIs as JavaScript on a web page, but an extension also has access to its own set of JavaScript APIs. The plugins especially, these can add new features like addition of a contact form on the website or a social media integration. If you want to integrate your social media page to your own website, you can do by using these plugins. WordPress comes with over 57,000 free plugins. The last feature of the WordPress that we'll be discussing is the user management, which is a which is a facility that is given by the WordPress, which in fact helps to identify different users who can have accessibility to the WordPress to make the changes to the website. So a good CMS access can be given to other people to publish the content on the website. Different user roles can also be assigned to control what they have access to. Some of the benefits of CMS: it creates no hassle publishing, allowing even those without technical skills to publish content, make websites, and edit content using a simple dashboard. CMS also helps scheduling the content at a very convenient format. Content management systems allow site administrators to publish content with a click of a button. The posts can be scheduled to be published to meet the calendar deadlines, business events, or product launches. The CMS can be used to create websites and blogs irrespective of what size of the business may be. So whether for making a website for a big name brand or just a starting business, with the right CMS, web hosting package, any type of or size of website can be created. The fourth feature of benefit of CMS is affordable and easy to control. A CMS allows beginners to manage sites of all sizes without relying on high-priced web developers to perform site maintenance or to make routine changes. A content management system also allows to provide the choice of individuals who may have access to the site. This, in fact, we have discussed under the feature of your user management. And the last feature of content management system is ability to customize. It enhances the ability of the company to change the website design or customize it as per the requirements. Plugins can add more features. This is one of the most popular or most often used plugin with the WordPress, which is Elementor. It is a drag and drop page builder for the WordPress. This plugin helps to create beautiful pages using Visual Editor. It is designed to build dynamic websites very fast. Elementor, in fact, has got the facility to drag any of the 90 plus widgets to create content like the buttons on the web pages, the star ratings, and the progress bars. It is also an effective tool for building anything from entire websites to specific landing pages, and it can be used to design the sales pages, the promotional pages, and even some custom forms. So how does Elementor Page Builder work? Elementor is a page builder plugin that replaces the basic WordPress editor with the live front-end editor so that the complex layout can be created visually and website can be designed live without having to switch between the editor and the preview mode. The page builder enables to reach the top-notch quality of the design without needing to use code or cascading style sheets and without relying on the developers for help. The user interface is extremely friendly of the Elementor, so it takes only a few minutes to get a hang of it. And Elementor uses the latest technology. With this, we come to the end of this Unit 1 session. Thank you.